Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. As per the tripartite lease deed dated 31st March 2021 that was executed between the Government of Meghalaya, the SYIEM of HIMA MYLLIEM and the Shillong Municipal Board, the demised leased land measuring 12,444.13 square meters and situated at Mawlong, Shillong, had been officially handed to the Government of Meghalaya by the SYIEM of HIMA MYLLIEM and the Shillong Municipal Board as per letter dated 29th October 2021. The handing over of the subject land was accepted on behalf of the state government by the Joint Secretary Urban Affairs Department KHARMWPHLANG. Mention may be made about the constitution of a high-level committee headed by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong to make recommendations on the relocation of staff of the Shillong Municipal Board and other departments from Sweepers Colony at Mawlong to a designated location provided by the government. While recently speaking to newspersons on the matter, Preston Tinsong announced the taking over of land by the state government through the Urban Affairs Department and also informed that the cabinet would once again meet to further discuss on the matter.
Well, I'm happy to tell you today, Urban Affairs Department has already taken over possession of the land at Mawlong, the entire area, as signed between the government, municipal board, and also the SYIEM of MYLLIEM, the lease agreement. So today I'm happy to tell you that we have already taken over possession of the above land. So once this is done, then the next steps, very shortly the cabinet will sit down again and will discuss further how to go about it.
On being asked about the response of dwellers at the Sweepers Colony, Preston Tinsong said that despite having advised the Shillong Municipal Board to go in for inventorization, yet numbers had not come in. He reminded the dwellers that the government's intention is not to victimize them, but to provide better dwellings and facilities for them to live in a good and better environment rather than living in a congested slum area.
Well, I think we have no option. They need to cooperate with us. And number two, they should not think that we are against them. They should not think that we are throwing them out. It's not that. But what we wanted is from the government side to relocate and have a proper place. That is number one. That's why that time, the moment we started our functioning in the committee, high-level committee, we have asked municipal board to go for inventorization. Unfortunately, the residents of these places, they refused to cooperate with Shillong Municipal Board. Though we tried 3 times, still they did not want to cooperate with us because we really wanted to know exactly how many settlers were there, how many people staying over there. Be it the employee of the municipal board or of the state government, or be it new settlers who stays there. In fact, that is our intention. Once the inventorization is done, so, then we understand actually the actual numbers of the settlers, and then we will work it out accordingly. As I said to you, in fact, we are here not to victimize anybody. We are here not to, not to throw out anybody, but we wanted to accommodate them in a proper place, in a proper manner. Because right now you must have seen it, you have witnessed it. That place is worse than slum. It is totally worse than slum. It is totally not fit to live in that place. That is the intention of everyone. So I would once again request humbly to all the residents, the settlers over there to cooperate with the government through the Urban Affairs Department, through the Shillong Municipal Board. I'm sure they will, again, be in touch with them and requesting them to come forward to cooperate with the government for inventorization, or come willingly, give your details, since when you stayed there, how many of you are there, so on and so on.